Hello everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Here is your specialist in alternative medicine, Anthony, especially for those over 60 who are concerned about their vitamin D levels. Let's dive into what this vitamin means for health and what you need to know if you are in this age group. Vitamin D, in addition to being crucial for bone health, plays a fundamental role in our body's immunity. In modern times, with technology keeping us indoors more, we are losing this natural exposure to the sun, affecting our vitamin D levels. And this is especially critical for those over 60. According to the Brazilian Society of Clinical Pathology, adequate levels of vitamin D for this age group are between 30 and 60 nanograms per milliliter. Check your exams and make sure you are within this range. If you have not taken the exam, it is important. Discuss this with your doctor. Many people turn to vitamin D supplementation, but it is crucial to understand that the standard dosage of 400 IU may not be enough to raise your levels, especially if they are below 30. Larger doses may be necessary, and it is recommended to consult a doctor before making changes to supplementation. Sun exposure is the most natural and economical way to obtain vitamin D, but if this is not possible, higher doses of supplementation may be necessary. Don't forget, 2,000 IU per day is usually the minimum to raise levels. Always talk to your doctor to understand what is best for you. Did you like this information? Share with friends and family, especially older ones. Health is a priority, so take care of yourself. I wish you all excellent health. To the next.